Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 7.2. First question, we have to find out the cube root. So at first we will do the prime factorization of the number. So 64 we have given, it goes at 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again at 2, 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now 64 can also be written as the product of prime numbers 2, 2, 2, 6 times. And you will make the pair of 3, right? So find the cube root of 64. This is the sign of cube root. So cube root of 64 equal to cube root of this 2 comes 3 times, so 2 cube, 2 comes 3 times, so this is also cube. So 2 cube and cube root will cancel out and you will get 2 only, and 2 here only, so 2 to the 4 you will get. Now come to the second part. Again you will do the prime factors of 512. It goes at 2, 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. And again the prime factors of 64 like first question. Now 512 can also be written as 9 2s as the product of prime numbers. So 512 can find the cube root of this 512 equal to cube root of this 2 cube, 2 cube and 2 cube. So cube and cube root will cancel for all three twos and you will get 2 to the 4 to the 8 as the solution. Now come to the third part. Here you can see it is even number, so goes at 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Again goes at 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Now goes at 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So this is 1331. This is cube of 11, we know that, so it goes at 11 only. So 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22 and 11 ones are 11 again, and goes at 11. Now 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, so 11 ones are 11 we got here. So 10,648 can also be written as the product of 3 2s and 3 11s. Now taking cube root on both sides, we know that this is cube of 2 and this is cube of 11. So cube and cube root will cancel, you will get 2 into 11, that is 22. Now come to part number 4. 27,000 we have given, goes at 3. 3 nines are 27 and 000 forward. You can do it 2 also, or you can start from 5 also. I'm starting from 3 because it is easy to split by 3, factorize by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 zeros forward, 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros forward, 5 2s are 10 and 000 forward, 5 4s are 20 and 1 0 forward, 5 8s are 40, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 27,000 can also be written as the product of 3 3s, 3 5s and 3 2s. If you make the pair of 3 same numbers, you will get 3 cube, 5 cube and 2 cube. So cube root we can take both sides. So cube and cube root will cancel on the right hand side and you just have 3, 5 and 2 from here. So if you find the product, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s is 30. Now come to part number 5. So this ends with 5, so let us start with 5. It is easy to check it. 5 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Now goes at 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Now goes at 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, goes at 5 again, 5 5s are 25, and 15,625 can also be written as product of 6 times 5, right? Now you can make the pair of 3 same numbers, so you can write 5 cube and 5 cube for this also. So taking cube root on both side, on the right hand side cube and cube root will cancel out and you just get 5 into 5, that is 25. So this is the solution. Now come to sixth part. This is 13,864. Now take it 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again goes at 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12, goes at 2 again, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, sorry 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16, goes at 2 again, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, goes at 2 again, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, goes at 2 again, 2 1s are 2, sorry 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12, goes at 2 now, 2 1s are 2, 2 5 2 1s are 2, 1 will not divisible, so you can get 0 here. 2 8s are 16. Now goes at 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, goes at 2 again, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now goes at 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So you can write 13,824 as the product of 9 times 2 and 3 times 3. So you can make the pair of three same numbers. So you get the power 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 3. Here you can take the cube root sign on both sides. So cube and cube root will cancel out. You can get 2, 2, 2 without cube and a 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24 is the solution. Now come to seventh part. This is 11,000 1,10,592. So take it 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. Again goes at 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, and 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are, you know this is the previous number 13,400, 13,824. This is the same number. So after that you can forward the same factorization here, and you can write this as the product of uh, 4 pairs of the 3. This is 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube and 2 cube with 3 cube. So taking cube root on both sides, cube and cube root will cancel and you will get 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 3 the 48. So this is the solution of 7th part. Only 8th part is remaining. 8th, 9th, 10th, 3 parts are remaining. I hope you can solve them also, and if you find any difficulty you can tell me. I will give the solution. That's all for today. So watch the video if you find this interesting and helpful in your studies. To like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.